Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to change the sold out badge color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. The themes page will open. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click edit code. The theme files page opens. In filter files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit the host2b.net website. The link and code we'll use are in the description. Simply click the copy button for the code. Then, return to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, we'll have two lines to change the sold out color. First line changes the stamp background, second changes the text color. The first line starts with a hashtag followed by the color code. If unsure of the color code, visit the Host2B site linked in the comments. Copy and access that link. Here, you'll find a page where you can select your desired color. You'll see all color palettes to choose from. After selecting, there's a button to copy the color code. You'll click, it'll copy, then you'll go back to Shopify, and on this line, go to the hashtag and color code, select it, delete it, and paste the new color code you selected earlier. It'll now display the color you chose. I'll keep the default color, but you can choose any color you want. To change the text color of the sold out seal, go to the second line with the color name. You can enter any color name. I used white as an example, but you can type the color you want. Just erase white and type the color name. You can type blue, black, or any color name in English. Color name must be in English. I'll leave it as white for now. After this, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once clicked, the changes are saved successfully. Now, when you view an out-of-stock product, you'll see the seal with your new color. I hope this video was helpful.